Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Jira permissions for teams after SSO changes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Jira permissions for teams after SSO changes, start by logging into your Jira instance as an administrator. Navigate to the Jira administration section by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select User Management. In the User Management section, look for the Groups option in the left-hand menu. Click on Groups to view all existing user groups. Identify the groups that are associated with the affected teams. Make a note of these groups for later use. Next, go back to the User Management section and select Permissions. In the Permissions section, select Project Permissions. Review the current permissions and identify any that might have been impacted by the SSO changes. Once identified, click on the Actions button next to the project you selected. Select Edit Permissions from the drop-down menu. In the Edit Permissions screen, check the boxes next to the corresponding groups you noted earlier. If necessary, you may need to remove any permissions assigned to incorrect groups. After making the changes, scroll down and click on Update to save your new permission settings. To ensure that everything is correctly set, go back and perform a test login as a user from one of the updated teams. Verify that the user can access the projects and features as intended. If any issues persist, revisit the Permissions section and recheck group assignments. After confirming everything is correct, you can exit the User Management section. With these steps, you should have successfully restored Jira permissions for your teams after the SSO changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.